Hi everyone, and welcome to What's Emily Making. Today I'm going to show you how to build your very own Valentine's Day fairy garden. We found all of these miniatures at the Dollar Tree. Now the Dollar Tree did recently switch over from $1 per item to $1.25. These ice cream cones and lollipops came in a pack of 3, and the gnomes also came in a pack of 3. I have this camellia shrub, and it was done blooming and was kind of boring underneath, so I just put some new soil under it just to get it looking nice and even. We then added some pea pebbles to the top just to cover up the dirt. Next, we added some sheet moss around just to give another texture. This was our final product, ready for the little fairy garden. We started placing our miniatures all around and just sort of playing with it and seeing where everything looked best. I ended up putting these popsicles around the camellia because they look like a fence, and then the cupcake and the ice cream truck. It was so cute. I also found these sparkly Easter twigs at the Dollar Tree. I cut the branches and I just stuck them randomly in the shrub just to give it a little more pizzazz. And there you have it, a miniature fairy garden ready for Valentine's Day. Make sure to give me a like and follow. Bye, y'all.